Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Engel Völkers exclusive property tour. And today, I'm going to show you around a Mediterranean gem right by the golf course. Guys, check out these views. So here we are in the main lounge, and check out this high vaulted ceiling. It's got an open fireplace, a separate kitchen, and almost 500 square meters of living space. 4-bedroom, all with their own ensuite bathrooms. What I really love is the way that everything spills out to the swimming pool and right out to those spectacular views of the Gary Player golf course. So what's this Mediterranean gem consist of? Well, it's located in Paraíso Alto, meaning the height of paradise. The plot itself is almost 1,600 square meters, facing straight out to the signature Gary Player golf course. And views, well, it goes without saying, to die for. Thank you so much for joining me today on another exclusive Engel Völkers property tour. And guys, if you want more information about this property, don't forget to click on the link below. And if you want to see more stunning properties just like this, subscribe and give me a like. And I'll see you very soon here in Marbella.